Little helicopter. It's right here. But don't get in one. My grandmama never told me about helicopters, so I'm not gonna get in one. Unless you're cray cray or cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs.
Both of them.
Hi, I'm on the Good Morning America show, and my name is Mr. Alvin Haley. Salute to Michael Jordan. He actually came and talked to me, and one of my all-time favorite basketball players is Kobe Bryant. True. But Michael Vick didn't do what they said he did. And anyways, keep praying, stay strong, keep women on your mind, keep sports first, keep God first.
Then use the right 2 lanes to take exit 15A.